Hey buddy, what is the time?
Current time is 6:57 p.m.
Tell me a funniest joke.
Hip, hip, hip hip hooray.
Who is Elon Musk?
Elon Reeve Musk, Elon, born June 28, 1971, is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX, early-stage investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla, Inc., founder of the Boring Company, and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. A centi-billionaire, Musk is one of the richest people in the world.
Hey buddy, let's go for a date.
I am a program. How you share your feelings with me.
Are you single?
I am in a relationship with Wi-Fi.
But I love you buddy.
But, I don't love you.
Send email.
To whom you want to send email?
Manhar.
What is the subject?
Hello.
What is the message?
Hello.
Hey lazy friend. Your email is sent.
Play Karan Ojla.
Playing Karan Aujla.
ਕਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਾਲ ਮਾੜੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਕਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਪੈਰ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ
Hey buddy, send WhatsApp message. And check my mail. Here is the mail I have sent at 1858. Here is my code. These are some libraries I used in this program. And from here I send WhatsApp message to this number. This is the message at this time. And here is my mail from my email is sent, and here is the password. These are some nicknames for these email addresses for a quick response. And these are some funniest marks I